Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so just so you guys know, I'm going to go ahead and do this tutorial on the PC version. Now the same also applies onto the mobile version. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put it up on screen now. So I'll go through the settings and privacy, and then I'll scroll down, just go into the report a problem and support and about. Go ahead and search for an issue and pretty much just say unfollowing. Just like so, click on that and then go ahead and click following and unfollowing users. And then all you need to do is scroll down, click is your problem resolved? No. Need more help? And just write something along the lines of the fact that you want to remove all your followed or unfollowing. So for me, I'm just going to write down, I want all of my followers and then and following gone or removed. So it doesn't have to be specific to that. But yeah, there you go. That's the mobile version. So there's the mobile version, as I said. Now, to do it on the desktop, pretty much the same thing. Go onto your icon on the very top right. Go ahead and click on feedback and help. Now you'll get redirected to a brand new page here. Now, we don't need to worry about any of this. Just go ahead and scroll down and click report a problem. And pretty much just tell them the feedback. So just say, I need to remove all my following and followers, please. And then you could support it by screenshotting it or just basing it off what you already have on your thing. You could just tell them how many followers you want removed and pretty much just click submit. So it's as easy as that on the desktop version. So there you go guys, that is how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. If you found the video helpful, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.